Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Under the hood is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a black MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming along back here, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with keyless go, blind spot assist. We got a black ash trim, power windows, heated seats, memory seats. Hopping in here, we've got a heated steering wheel. This one also does come with the smartphone integration package, which comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys, cup holders, our command center with dynamic selects. This vehicle has 30,964 miles on it, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.